Hello, Damian Milner, the IT Administrator for Future Problem Solving here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing with you how a student will either complete a scenario directly in FPSOnline or how they can upload the scenario. This would be for creative writing or scenario writing. First thing that you're going to want to do is go to fpsonline.org and click the student login link from the top, the bottom, or the middle section here, and then log in with the login information provided to you by your coach or the competition administrator. If it's your first time logging in, you might get a pop-up window here that has FPS topics, my team, and my feedback on it that you can click on. Just click on FPS topics. If you have logged in before, you might bypass that window and land right in the FPS topics page, which is fine. And then you just want to click the tile for the competition that you're going to be working in. Now here you have the two options. You can either complete the scenario directly in the system, which I'll show you here in a moment, or you can upload the scenario, which you're going to need that in a PDF format and a Word format, and you will need your publication release. Okay, so let me show you how to upload it first. So you're going to skip all these sections and go right here to upload files. You're going to click this button and you're going to select SW for scenario writing. Right here in these first three fields, you can see where you're going to upload it in Word format. You're going to upload it in PDF format. And if you have a publication release form to upload, you can upload that here. However, if you have already turned that into your competition lead, then you do not need to upload that here. And you just need to worry about uploading your file in Word and PDF format. All right. You can do that. Let me just show you real quick here. Just like this, select it, skip over this if you need to. You're going to want to type in your title, your division might already automatically be filled in, what is the topic that you were writing about, your word count. So typically you're limited to 1,000 words. So if you know that you have 980 words used, you can type that in there. You want to type in the student author's name. You want to type in a brief summary. This can be pretty short and sweet. Okay, you want to make sure you type in your coach's name and your coach's email. Okay, once you've completed all of these fields, you want to check this box that you're agreeing that, verifying that this is your original work and it does meet all of the eligibility requirements, and click submit. Got to agree to it and then click submit. Okay, so what you'll see here with the upload step is now I have my two files which I can click on. I can see this box, and if I want to view the file, right here is a link to click on to view that file. Okay, same goes for the PDF file. I'll click on it. It brings up your cover sheet. It's got all your data on it, but if you want to view that, you can just click this link right here. All right, mine goes automatically to my downloads. Yours might automatically open up. All right. If you're done and you're ready to close it off, you're going to click Submit for Evaluation as your last step. And that's going to let the administrator know that you are done and it is ready to be evaluated. Okay, now that's how you're going to upload your scenario. Let's say you want to complete the scenario directly in the system. All right, so to do that, you're going to go over here. You're going to click on Go to Virtual Booklet. It's going to take you right in here. Okay, you can view your future scene over here on the left hand side by clicking Future Scene. All right, and again, you can open up another tab. You can copy this URL and paste it into this other tab in case you want to have your future scene up while you're doing your work. All right, so if you'll see here, I got one tab here with my future scene, and I got one tab here where I can submit my scenario. If you want to know how to work with this, highlighting it and so on, please watch our video on how to view and work in the future scene, but you can definitely have multiple tabs open while you're working. All right, so now that I got my future scene up, I'm going to go over here and I'm actually going to click into step 1, and I'm going to click this button to enter new or write your scenario. Okay, you can make this window big and you can start typing. Okay. Once you're done typing your scenario, you can click the Enter key. Now, some students prefer to type this in a Google Doc, so you can type it in a Google Doc as a backup, and then you can just simply go in here and copy it, and then paste it. I didn't have my submit button there, so I ended up having to make the window smaller so that I could find the enter button to click enter. All right, so if you bump into that same scenario, basically if it's big and you're scrolling and you can't see your submit button, just go up here to make it smaller and then scroll down and you should see that submit button. Okay, now if you need to go back in and edit it, you can edit it from here. If you need to delete it and restart, you can click delete here. But once you're done with this step and you've submitted it, you can go back over here to the dashboard, and then your last step is to click submit for evaluation. That's your very, very last step. Do not do that step any other time, as it could mess up your submission. And this is more of just a flag to let the administrator know that you are done and complete, and they can submit it for evaluation. All right. And again, you can still have your second window up here with your future scene while you're working on your scenario. Hope you found this video helpful. Please stick around and watch some other videos about working in FPS Online. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great and positive day. Take care.